Hello, tired of searching through different menus just to change a simple system setting in Windows 11? Windows has a hidden super feature called GodMode. It gathers over 200 control panel tools and hidden administration settings inside one single folder. Here is how to unlock it step by step. First, right-click on any empty space on your desktop wallpaper, hover your mouse over New and select Folder. Now, copy the special GodMode code snippet from the description of this video, right-click your newly created folder, select Rename and paste the exact code as the new name. Press Enter on your keyboard. You will see the folder icon instantly transform into the classic control panel icon. Double-click to open it and you now have instant access to every hidden Windows setting organized neatly in one place. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.